Thought I'd do a quick video about the handles. So I'm replacing the handles to the wooden ones. I noticed they were kind of sharp on the edges, so I took them up to the wood shop, sanded them off nicely so we have a nice round edge here. Sanded off the bottom some, and this, because doing it on the belt sander was much faster and easier, and I could do a nicer job. So the handles are all really nice. Now the one thing I noticed, when I took them off, the hole is only 1 inch from the end. I was kind of surprised. I thought I envisioned the hole being up in here. So 1 inch. Very good to remember, because I need one table I'm going to do, I need to drill the holes. So the other thing I found is to take the pin, here's the new handle. So I first put the pin in just to make sure everything goes in good, pull it back out. Then line it up on here. It's kind of, sometimes you can see in there, if you have really good light, you can see when it lines up. So it's about, looks like it's about right there. And you can test it with the pin. Now the problem is when you pull the pin out and you start putting the final pin in, which looks like this, it's easy to move the handle a little bit so it's not lined up. So once you start this in here, tap it in. Then on the bottom side, where you can turn it, put this end in so it's into the metal, and then hold that as you're tapping this side in, so that way it's lined up. And then it should be good. So the 1 inch brings the bar up into here, so I guess that's not too bad. You have this much of the handle with the bar inside of it, so I guess it's not as bad as I was thinking. But so you have about this much of the wood that there's no bar in. Okay, so I'm going to finish tapping this one in, and then we're ready to play with this table. So it's a really fast table. It really is. Okay, enough for this project.